Hello everyone, welcome again. Today in this video we'll learn about trigonometry, and this is the one of the most important. Most students find the optional math as a hardest subject in their school level, so let me make your optional easier to learn and easier to understand. So let's start with trigonometry, and the basic formula of trigonometry is P, H and B. Let's draw a triangle in which this is right angle, suppose this is angle, this is angle, and this is right angle. For easy understanding, I made two triangles here. Both are the right angle triangle. Okay, let's suppose theta. We used to write theta. We can write angle A, angle B, anything. Okay, but theta is understandable and easy to learn, because in trigonometry whenever we talk about sine theta, cos theta. So let's start with sine theta. This is cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, and other. Okay, you have read I think Pandit Bajay Prasad Hare Hare Bol, right? But no need to remember that way. Just remember the thing, the basic idea of trigonometry. Okay, let's start. Whenever you see a rectangle, the side opposite to the right angle means this side, right? This is always hypotenuse. This is right angle, so opposite of it is this one. This is hypotenuse. Okay, remember this one. Let's remove this triangle from here so that it will be easy to understand from this triangle. I will make it little larger. And when there is an angle and the rectangle in the same base, it is called base. Okay, and the opposite of the angle is always perpendicular. So remember that way. Either this is tilted this side or this is tilted this side, it doesn't matter. Okay, just what you need to know is the opposite of right angle is hypotenuse. Opposite of angle is always perpendicular, and when there is one rectangle and an angle is made, it is called base. Okay, remember these three things, then it will be easy for you to understand. Now what you need to know, first start with sine. Then in case of sine, perpendicular by hypotenuse. In case of cos, b by h, base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is simple, just keep this and this. Sine theta by cos theta is always tan theta. That means h and h gone, p by b. And cos theta by sine theta is always cot theta. So this and this gone, b by p. From here you can remember two formula. Tan theta is equal to sine theta by cos theta. Cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. So now we have cosec theta and sec theta, right? In this case, when you see cosec, we start with cos, it is opposite of sine. When you see s with sec, it is opposite of cos theta. So it's s by p, it's s by b. It's very simple. So anything more than this, I will teach you in next video. See you again in the next video, where I will describe one question, be how to define P and B when there are two angles are given, like theta in one and another is given alpha or beta, anything. So how we can deal with that one, I will teach you in next video. Thank you so much.